minute technique for cone. So this is like connecting your slams and your presents up and down. So the cone is going to make a cone shape above your head, and then you'll bring it down to right slam and draw a cone shape on the ground. So if you think about stirring a pot up and stirring a pot down, we're gonna go out to the right, front, left, behind. Notice my hand came out away from my stomach so that I could get that cone shape. And then I bring it down to a slam, 5, bring it forward, bring it left. And this time, because you can't do a back, you have to just sweep across your toes, right? So the whole 8 count looks like this. We'll do 2 counts of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your 1 minute cone.